Hello everyone, and welcome once again to another one of my YouTube video channels. My name is Ed Walker, and I'm going to be your host for Surfing the Net Computer Repair. And this is our tech tips, and this is going to be um, on how to let the system repair itself. I don't know if you know this or not, but Windows has a built-in self-test that can check various items such as Bluetooth, can't get on, network adapter. Um, Say you're having problems to get your updates for Windows updates. Rather than take it to a tech, you can see if the system can repair itself or tell you what's wrong. And that's going to be the tech tip of today. So, if you're new to this channel, we are a small computer company. We repair laptops, PCs, we do upgrades, new builds, tech tips on software, on hardware, anything with computer related. That's what we are. If you'd like to see other videos like this, just hit the subscribe button below. If you want to be notified of the upcoming videos, just click the little bell icon next to it to be notified. With that, let's get started. I'm at my desktop now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all the way towards the bottom, and there'll be a window pane, Microsoft Windows, so it looks like a window pane. Down here, you just click on that pane, left click. You want to go up to where the settings are. It will be a gear wheel icon here. Just click on settings. And then we're going to look for the last deal on the page is update and security. This area right here. We're going to click on it. Once it comes up, it may start loading Windows updates, but never mind that. Over to your left, you'll see a column, and on 1, 2, 3, 4, about the fifth one down, it says troubleshoot. See right here, troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Now it brings up the troubleshoot page. The very last line says additional troubleshooters. Click on that. There you go. You'll have a list of find and fix problems, getting up and running, such as your internet connection, playing audio with your printer, perhaps, Windows updates, your Bluetooth, your connections, your keyboard, network adapter, power, all kinds of stuff in here that you can actually check yourself. Very simple. You just choose or highlight any one of these. In other words, I'll click on, let's say internet connections, I'll click on that. It automatically will bring up run the troubleshooter under the particular one to pick on. And when you choose, just click on run the troubleshooter. Another dialog box will come up and it will run. You can give it, click on also if it has options. You can click, I can say troubleshoot my connection to the internet, which I don't have any problems, so it has a lot of that. But even if it's playing audio, for example, run the troubleshooter, perhaps your printer, any one of these items. And check it out. See if it'll save you time at the computer shop. All right. Well, that's a quick tip for today. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.